Hello, puzzlers! Welcome back to Garb Studio. Today, let's talk about a different topic. Today, we're embarking on a global adventure to explore the 8 wonders of the world. So, grab your metaphorical passport and get ready to be amazed. Number 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza. The oldest and only remaining wonder from the ancient world. This colossal pyramid dates back to 2550 BC and is a marvel of engineering. Number 2. The Great Wall of China. Stretching for over 21,000 kilometers, 13,000 miles, this wall served as a defense against invaders for centuries. The sheer scale of this structure is mind-boggling. Number 3. Chichen Itza in Mexico. A Mayan city that flourished between 600 to 900 AD, Chichen Itza is famous for its towering pyramid, El Castillo, and its sophisticated astronomy knowledge. Number 4. Petra in Jordan. Nicknamed the Rose City for its red sandstone, Petra was a Nabatean trading center carved directly into cliffs. Walking through its hidden passages feels like stepping back in time. Number 5. Machu Picchu in Peru. This mysterious Inca citadel, the lost city of the Incas, sits high in the Andes Mountains. Its purpose and construction techniques remain a source of fascination. Number 6. The Colosseum in Italy. This massive amphitheater in Rome was once the stage for gladiator battles and public spectacles. Its innovative engineering and design continue to impress. Number 7. Taj Mahal in India. An exquisite white marble mausoleum built by an emperor for his beloved wife, the Taj Mahal is a symbol of eternal love and architectural beauty. Number 8. Angkor Wat in Cambodia. The largest religious monument in the world, Angkor Wat was a Hindu temple complex built by the Khmer Empire. Its intricate carvings and sprawling layout are breathtaking. These 8 wonders represent just a fraction of the incredible achievements and cultural heritage found around the world. Each wonder has a story to tell, and they continue to inspire awe and wonder in visitors from all corners of the globe. What are some of your favorite historical sites or wonders of the world? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures in history and culture.